We got our high row going here, Mr. Coker. Oh, yeah. That's it. That's it. You ready for your power walk?
No. I thought we were done with that.
Let's do it. Come on. Show me what you got. Come on. Let's go show everybody downtown the way it's supposed to be done.
Oh, yes, Lord.
Let's go motivate some people.
Yes, dear.
By helping ourselves.
I always follow.
And then helping others. That's right.
Watch out for she's mean.
Here we go.
All right, let's go quick.
Show me that power walk. Big step.
That's right.
Looking good.
Come on.
You holding that belly in?
Yes, ma'am.
Woo! Yes, man. I like it. What a beautiful day.
60 degrees, sun's out.
And we're power walking outside.
That's what we're doing.
Showing everybody what's up.
Oh, look.
That's right.
Is my hair all right?
Your hair looks amazing.
Okay, good. What little I got left.
Oh, hey, you got it, though.
Yeah.
How young are you?
75.
Woo!
Jamie.
One of your daughter's birthdays today, huh?
That's right.
Yeah. You sang happy birthday to her this
I
morning?
did sing happy birthday.
Her and your precious wife?
Dear Miss Shelley.
How long you been?
Happy birthday to you.
That's right.
Hey,
How long you and Melissa been married?
53 years.
I love it.
That's needy.
I love it. I love it.
God, I've been had to put up with a lot.
Dedication, commitment.
Yeah, but it's worth it.
That's right. And you're still working out
Yes, ma'am.
every day.
I ain't gonna do no more of these things.
This is the last one.
That's needy.
That's right. Big steps, baby.
I don't walk this fast when you're hunting.
Showing everybody what is up.
Watch out for these guys.
Got it. Big steps. Big steps. Yeah, you are. You breathing? Breathing.
Every step.
That's right.
Oh, what's my posture? Right.
That's right.
There
Posture.
we go.
Check. Lead with that chest, right? Chest out.
Oh, Lord. Okay.
All right, Mr. Coker, we are getting some fit done.
Oh, is that you?
Woo!